Next guys, how to uninstall WhatsApp. Okay, so click to start, go to setting, then click to app, install app, wait few seconds because the system is synchronized, then scroll down, C series, come to W means WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp beta versions. If you use any versions, not this, but method is same. Okay, so click to three tap and just click to uninstall. Okay, and then next you can install again. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download WhatsApp in the Windows 11. Click to start, type store, Microsoft Store, click to open. You can click also here. Then on search tab type WhatsApp. There are two type of meta and normal. So what you want to, you can download meta version. Okay, just click to get. Getting ready, prepare for the download. Now this is installing 89.20 MB. Just you can click to open, click to start and then scan. Otherwise you can enter the manual, your select your country code. Okay, and then enter your mobile number and then enter the code which is your in the show in the WhatsApp notifications. Okay, otherwise simple, you can link, click on the link device and scan and use this. Okay, so if this is not icon show in the display, so just click on the windows and type WhatsApp. Okay, and if you want to ping in task, otherwise you can just right click and pin in task, so automatically show here. Otherwise right click and start to pin. Otherwise you can drag and drop also. It's working, not working, no. App setting, open start to ping. Yeah, just click to start to ping. Okay, so when you click to start, automatically show here. Okay, this is how you ping. If you want to unping, right click to unping to start, unping to unping from task bar. Okay, thank you. So how to repair and reset the WhatsApp. So guys, click to start and search WhatsApp. Just right click to open app setting, click on app setting, scroll down, click to repair, then click to reset. Okay, and then click to terminate. You can click 2 to 3 times. Okay, then closed. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.